Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to show and hide screen lock background picture on Acer laptop. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video here. Firstly, what you need to do is that on the down you will be able to see the start button. So move here on the start button. When you move on the start button, here you have to click on this setting. Okay, so when you click on this setting, here is the on the left side you will be able to see here is the personalization. So click on the personalization. When you click on the personalization, here where you have to click is the here you have to click on the lock screen. Okay, so when you move on the lock screen, here is the option for the show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. So if you want to off, you just click on this icon, it will be off. If you want to on again, you just click on this icon, it will be turned on. Okay, so it is called the show the lock screen background picture on the sign. If you want to hide, if you want to show, you can hide and show by this icon. Okay, and friends, if you want to change the calendar, you can change from here weather mirror calendar. Okay, or you want to set into none. Okay, you can select from here. Okay, this one also. And here is your personalize your lock screen. If you want to personalize your lock screen, you can personalize from here. Windows spotlight picture slideshow. Okay, you can personalize from here. Okay, and mainly if you want to hide this one, show the lock screen background, just click on this icon, it will be hide. And if you want to show again, you just click on this icon, it will be show. Okay, so you can change from here the personalize your lock screen status, show the lock screen background picture. From here you can set and select. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.